Hey everyone, let's go ahead and get started with UV Python Package Manager. UV Python Package Manager is an alternate of PIP. We have been using PIP since so many years, but one thing we see with the PIP that PIP is quite slow. There is a lot of advantage of using UV over the PIP. UV is at least 10 to 100x faster than the PIP, and this UV have a built-in virtual environment management. In case of PIP, it is really very hard to create a virtual environment. But in case of UV, it is going to be super easy. And our UV also creates their requirements file automatically. Basically, it creates the log file and other things very easily. And sharing UV files, basically sharing your project which is created using UV with other team is very easy, and other team also can they can install all the dependencies very easily. That is why we are going to use UV going forward. So how you can install the UV? You can just simply click on installation part, and here you need to come to Mac OS and Linux, then select this one. So if this particular command does not work for you, you can select other commands as well. There are so many options to install the UV. In certain cases, if curl is not installed in your computer, you might get the error. Then you can follow along with these two. You can follow along with this one. Otherwise, you can scroll it down. You can see here that you can install the UV using the pip as well. But I recommend installing it using this particular command. Just simply come here, open your terminal, and then just paste it here. It is going to download all the necessary packages, and then finally it is going to install it. Here it has installed. It was so easy, super fast, and this is the location. This is where you can, this is where it is installed. You can also verify this by typing which UV. With this, you will get the same location. This is where our UV is installed here. If you type here UV, you will get here the detail about the package, that what are the commands available here for UV. You have UV auth, UV run, init. Basically, if any Python file you want to run with the UV, you can use the UV run. You can add packages using UV. You can remove the packages. There are so many stuff which you can do with the UV. So we have successfully installed the UV. Let's go ahead and quickly see that how you can create some projects, and then later on we can see more detailed version of the UV. So first I create a new directory. Let's say I create here a test directory. Then let's go ahead and go inside the test directory. This is one way to create basically a project, like make dir and directory. Then go inside that directory. Then you type here UV init. With this, what happened here, it is going to initialize this test project which we had just created some times back. Otherwise, you can just come back here, and then you can write like this UV init, and then you can give your project name here like this UV init, and then the project name. This time you will see here we have got here a project. Now if you come back here in the download folder, seems like I had just created this in my root, basically home directory. Let's go ahead and see this with the ls. So in the ls, you will notice here we have a test. All right. Other than that, we also have here a project. If you want to see it in more better way, what I can do here, I can first go inside this downloads, and then I'm going to create this project there. Now inside this download, you will notice there is a project. In this project, you have pyproject.toml file, and then you have here a readme file. Let's go ahead and open this in our VS Code, and then we can see everything there. So I open my project in a VS Code, and all the files we can see here, which is automatically created by our UV. Thereafter, if you want to add any package in UV, then you can just go inside your project where it is created, and then you can just simply add here packages. Like this, you can do UV add. Let's say you want to add here pandas, you can just simply write there UV add pandas. Then it is going to add here pandas inside this project. As you can see here, it has added everything. If you come back here, you can see it has created this pyproject.toml. In that there is dependency. In the dependency, it has here a pandas. If you come back here, you can see all the details here, like all the features which you can do with the UV. You can install the Python separately using a UV. You can also run a script like UV run and then the Python project name. All right, you can add your package, you can remove your package like that. This is how you can create a Python project. And there are so many other the features which you can do with the UV. Later on we will explore all these features, but as of now you just see here that how you can install the UV. Alright, so we have successfully installed our UV in a Mac OS. This is all about in this lesson. I'll see you in next one.